Ever wished payday would come a little sooner? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the calendar, counting down the days, maybe even checking our bank balance a few times a day just in case. What if I told you there's a way to get your hands on your hard-earned money up to a day early, every single month? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Monzo, it's a reality, and today, we're going to dive deep into how you can unlock this incredibly useful feature and transform your financial planning. Monzo has quickly become a game-changer in the world of digital banking, and for good reason. Beyond its sleek app and user-friendly interface, it offers innovative features designed to give you more control and flexibility over your money. One of the most beloved, and frankly, life-changing, of these features is Get Paid Early. Imagine the relief of having your salary land in your account on a Tuesday instead of a Wednesday, or a Thursday instead of a Friday. That extra day can make a world of difference, whether you're trying to avoid an overdraft, pay a bill on time, or simply get a head start on your weekend plans. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of how to activate and use this feature, let's set the stage a little. Why does Monzo offer this, and how is it even possible? Traditionally, when your employer pays you, the money goes through a system called BACS, Bankers Automated Clearing Services. This system typically takes 3 working days for funds to clear and appear in your account. So, if your employer initiates payment on Monday, you usually see it on Wednesday. Monzo, however, has a clever way of anticipating these payments. They essentially use a predictive model to identify incoming BACS payments destined for your account. Once they're confident the payment is on its way, they make the funds available to you early. It's not magic, but it feels pretty close. Now, you might be wondering about the catch. Is there a fee? Are there hidden requirements? The fantastic news is, no. Monzo offers Get Paid Early completely free of charge. There are no extra fees, no interest, no complicated hoops to jump through. It's a standard feature available to all eligible Monzo customers. The primary requirement is that your salary or regular income is paid into your Monzo account via BACS. This means most standard employment salaries, pensions, and some benefits payments will qualify. Payments made via faster payments, which are instant, or SHAPs, often used for very large, urgent payments, don't typically qualify for early access because they don't have the same clearing cycle that Get Paid Early's leverages. So, let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually get paid early with Monzo? The process is surprisingly simple, and it all happens within the intuitive Monzo app. Step 1. Make Monzo your main account, or at least, your salary account. This is the foundational step. For Monzo to anticipate your payment, your employer needs to be sending your salary directly to your Monzo current account. If you're not already using Monzo as your primary bank, you'll need to update your bank details with your employer's payroll department. This usually involves providing them with your Monzo account number and sort code. You can find these easily within your Monzo app by tapping on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. It's a quick process, but make sure to double-check the details to avoid any delays. Step 2. Wait for your first BACS payment to land. Once your employer has updated your details, your first BACS payment will arrive in your Monzo account on the usual payday. This first payment is crucial as it helps Monzo's system recognize your regular income pattern. Think of it as the system learning your payment schedule. You won't get paid early on this very first payment, but it sets the stage for all future ones. Step 3. Look for the Get Paid Early notification. This is where the magic begins. For subsequent BACS payments, Monzo will typically detect the incoming payment around 4 p.m. on the working day before your official payday. When they do, you'll receive a notification within the Monzo app. This notification will clearly state something along the lines of "You can get paid pound, your salary amount, early today." It's incredibly exciting when that notification pops up. Step 4. Tap to get paid early. Once you receive that notification, simply open the Monzo app and tap on the notification or navigate to your home screen. You'll see an option to get paid early. With a single tap, your salary will instantly appear in your account. It's that simple. No waiting, no fuss, just your money, ready to use. Now, let's address some common questions and scenarios that often come up when discussing get paid early. What if I don't get a notification? There could be a few reasons for this. Firstly, ensure your salary is indeed paid via BACS. If your employer uses faster payments, you won't get the get paid early option because those funds already arrive instantly. Secondly, Monzo's system needs to be confident the payment is coming. Occasionally, for very new payments or if there are inconsistencies, it might not be able to predict it. Finally, make sure your app notifications are turned on for Monzo, especially for payments. You can check this in your phone settings. What if my payday falls on a weekend or bank holiday? This is where Get Paid Early truly shines. If your official payday is, say, a Monday, and that Monday is not a bank holiday, you'll likely receive the Get Paid Early option on the preceding Friday around 4 p.m. If your payday is a Tuesday, you'll get it on Monday afternoon. The general rule is that you can get paid early on the working day before your official payday, as long as it's not a bank holiday. Monzo will always make sure you have access to your money as soon as they reliably know it's on its way. Does this affect my credit score? Absolutely not. Get Paid Early is not a loan, an advance, or a credit facility. It's simply Monzo making your own money available to you sooner. There are no credit checks involved, and it has no impact whatsoever on your credit score. This is a crucial distinction and one of the many reasons why it's such a popular feature. Can I get paid early every time? Yes, as long as your salary or regular income continues to be paid via BACS into your Monzo account. You should consistently receive the option to get paid early around 4 p.m. on the working day before your official payday. It becomes a regular, reliable part of your financial routine. What if I don't tap to get paid early? If you don't tap the Get Paid Early button, your salary will simply land in your account at the usual time on your official payday, just as it would with any other bank. The option is there for your convenience, but you're not obligated to use it. Are there any limits to the amount I can get paid early? No, Monzo will make the full amount of your incoming BACS payment available to you. There aren't any artificial limits imposed on the amount you can access early. Tips for maximizing your Get Paid Early experience. Set up bill pots. Once your salary lands early, you have an extra day to manage your finances. Use Monzo's pots feature to separate money for bills. You can even set up automatic transfers from your main account into these pots on the day your salary lands, ensuring your essential payments are covered before you even think about spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.